Welcome to Online Digital Marketing Solution. In this video, I will explain Google Shopping Ads. In my previous video, I explained Google Search Network and standard display ads and Gmail ads and app mobile app ads also explained. In this video, I will explain Google Shopping Ads. This is all series videos. Please watch one by one videos. Okay, let me explain in Notepad. So this is Google Shopping Ads. When you're running Google Shopping Ads, we need Google Ad account. Next, Google Merchant Center account also we need. Google Merchant Center account also we need. Main Google Merchant Center. So one option is a feed. In this option, we have to enter all our product details like product, comma, title, comma, description, comma, price, and image. So these all the details you have to enter, and once you add all details you have to link both of them. Link both of them means you have to link Google Ad account and Google Merchant Center account. You have to link both of them. Okay. Next, fourth one, ad type is image come text. Image come text. Okay. Next, ad appears in SERP, search engine result pages. Appear in result pages. Next, sixth one, bidding type is conversion. This is conversion. Okay. And conversion means when customer purchase only Google will charge, otherwise Google will not charge. Okay. So these are main important. Main thing you have to create Google, already have Google Ad account, and we have to create Google Ad Merchant Center account. In that Google Merchant Center account, we have feed option. In the feed option, you have to enter the product details like product, title, description, price, and images, and you have to link both of them. Merchant Center account and Google Ad account you have to link. So ad type is image come text and ad appears in SRP. Bidding type is conversion. So when customer purchase only Google will charge, otherwise Google will not charge. Okay, let's start practical. Just like Google Merchant Center account, just click. First you have to create Google Merchant Center account. Already have Google Ad account. Just come Google Tools here, Tools and Setting option, and just click Setup. You will find here Google Merchant Center account. Just click this. Please wait for a second. Yeah. So s- main thing, once you click this option, so you have to enter your details of website link, all the information you have to enter. So after that you'll get like this. Before already have entered, I took exam for demo purpose. I have added Amazon. Okay, added. Just click products. Just come products. Come back. Continue means. So here you have to add tax details, shipping details, product details, website details, and you have to link Google Ad account also. Link it both here. Okay, I will go back. I'm not adding anything. Just I'm listing the products. Once you come product, all products. Got it. Sorry. Once you come this product list, just go for feeds. So what is the feed name I given? First sheet. Once you will find this input method Google Sheet. Just you have to open here because I already created Amazon for the demo purpose. Here you have to add the ID, title, decision, and link, condition, price, availability. So main thing you have to add all the details. So you have to add manually. In a day you can add up to 10 to 15 like that. Once you add, Google will take for 3 days time to observe all the things. After the approve, so in your results in Google search you'll find all the details. Okay, because I will not show anything and examples. You find any difficulty like main thing is here. So very important. So product category is very important because you have to list your related category. Otherwise, the ad will not show properly. So once you enter all this thing information, this is very important. So even Google has given some instructions. You have to follow these rules and you have to read. And example also given where it comes which category. Main thing you have to enter all the details. Once you enter all these things, so you have to link it once you open. Once you add all the details, so here you can observe all the things. If any have issues, find all things. Feed issues, account issues, you'll find all the things here. Okay, like that you have to enter all the details. After this, you have to link both of them. Linked accounts. So it's not linked. Just click link. So many it will take time. Account in link needs to be confirmed in Google Ads. So just click cancel request. So when you unlink from this Google Ad account, shopping campaigns in Google Ads, they relay information from this merchant center account will be stop saving ads. Continue. Yes, I use for Amazon for demo purpose. I'm not link. So once you have linked it both of them, after this you have to go here. Normal campaign how you are running, just go for here, click new campaign, click new campaign. One second, it will take time. Yeah. So here you have to come for uh, I mean create a campaign without a goal. I will select this one because I will create a goal manually. I am running for shopping ads. I click this shopping. So once you have linked both of them, your account will be enabled here because I have not linked, so that reason is showing this. So after this, you have to create continue. Yes, I have not added, not linked both of them, Google Ad account and Merchant Center. So once you have clicked this continue, after that you have to select the bidding type and look even location everything. So after this you have to select the shopping ad type. There are such like shopping ad type will come. Once select, after that you have to run the campaign like this. You have to create the campaign for shopping ads because I have not created properly. Just I'm showing for example, but this is a demo purpose. I will create one more video for the shopping ads. Thank you. Okay, thank you so much.